You asked, so now I'm sharing my top 10 habits to help keep my house clean and tidy. Well, I actually have 11, but 10 looked better in the title. These are quick habits that I've stacked and that will only take a few minutes of your day, but it's going to save you so much time in your week. These habits are now second nature to me, so doing them feels as odd as not brushing my teeth. Okay, so I'm going to run through these habits quickly, so pause to get a pen so you can jot them down. All right, first things first, and before I get into the habits, I'm going to go ahead and make my bed. Now, making my bed is my first burst of motivation in the morning. There's just something about completing this small task that is like a shot of espresso for me. So when the bed is made, we're less likely to throw things on top of the bed, so that's going to make less clutter in your room. Okay, so my first habit is to turn on Roomba in my room. I do this every single morning. This not only keeps my carpet clean, but it also forces me from laying things down on the floor. My next few habits I do here in the bathroom, so I go ahead and get underneath the cabinet and I pull out the cleaners that I use every single day in here. So habit number 2 is to wipe down the counter and the sink every single morning. Now this is a 1-minute habit that keeps my counters and my sink clean. And habit number 3 is my mirrors. I do a quick shine of only the areas that need shining. You do not need to wipe down the whole mirror. Just go ahead and get those areas that need shining. By the way, I also do over there on my husband's side. Okay, so habit number 4 is to wipe down and clean my toilet. Now, I alternate between each bathroom in my house, so that way each toilet is at least getting this type of cleaning a couple of times a week. And habit number 5, this one I passed on to my husband, is he squeegees the shower after every shower. Now, this is a very simple act that takes him about a minute, but it saves me so much time in scrubbing soap scum off. And I love that when I walk into our bathroom, the glass is clear and it's not dotted with all those water spots. Okay, so habit 6 is my new favorite. I put bath soap in one of these wands and I go ahead and I scrub my tub while I'm still in the tub. I use Epsom salts every single night and I also self-tan. So this helps to keep the ring away from the tub. Okay, so you ready for habit 7? All right, so like making my bed gives me a shot of motivation when I wake up in the morning, so does emptying the dishwasher every morning. So an empty dishwasher opens it up so that it can be reloaded throughout the day. There's just no excuse in leaving dishes in the sink if you can put them directly into the dishwasher instead. So every morning without fail, I unload the dishwasher. That way I can go ahead and start my day with an empty dishwasher and it's ready to be filled. habit number 8, and I do this every night before I go to bed. I gather every last dinner dish and cup and spoon and spatula, and I throw them into the dishwasher. I also make sure that my favorite coffee cup is front and center so that it's ready for me to get out first thing in the morning. Now, here's a fun tip. I delay my washer to start at 4 a.m. So that way by 6 a.m. I have a hot coffee cup ready to put my coffee in. I mean, shoot, if we have the option, we might as well have a nice little benefit with a nice warm coffee cup. Habit number 9 is I wipe down the counters. Now I do this however often that they need to be done throughout the day. Now, if you get a cleaner that has a really nice scent, you'll also enjoy the smell benefit along with the clean counters. And when you take time to clean off your counters, you're less likely to stack things on top of the counters. But if you or someone else does stack the things on the counters, go ahead and take time to take care of that hot spot before you shut down the kitchen for the night. All right, so habit number 10 out of the 11 that I have for you is to clean and shine your sink. Now these areas can get stinky quickly, so go ahead and give it a quick clean. Tomorrow morning, you're going to thank yourself for having a nice clean kitchen to walk into. I like to go ahead and hang out a fresh towel and rag for the morning. All right, so my bonus tip is that I load my Yeedi with water so that way he can mop my floors. Now I do this a couple of times a week, and this helps to keep my floors clean in between those deep cleaning mops that I do once a week. Now sometimes I'll just have the mop going in the morning while I'm doing other chores around the house, or if I'm going to be running errands, I'll go ahead and turn him on and let him take care of things. He's self-sufficient, so he can take care of things while I'm gone. So as you can see, these habits is what keeps my house clean. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again next Sunday. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.